Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ami Hakim Muhammad Razwan, number matrix 08DPB 21F1057. Today I would like to make a campaign about importance of maintaining drainage system in plumbing. First of all, what is drainage system? A drainage system consists of piping that conveys sewage, rainwater, or other liquid waste to a point of disposal, either in the sewer system or septic tank. Its main objective is to collect and remove wastewater and keep sewer gas out of the building. Unlike the piping that brings water into a building, the piping for a drainage system is usually made of plastic or metal. So how does a drainage system work? Clean fresh water comes from the street or another water service, such as a well, and is piped to each plumbing fixture. Each fixture has a drain line that collects used water and waste, which flows to the main drain system through gravity. All drain lines are plumbed with a slope to help water flow freely. The main drain line goes to a municipal sewer line or septic tank on the property. Traps in the drain pipe collect dirty water and seal the pipe to keep the sewer gas out of the building. There are two types of traps, first S and the second one P. S traps are generally used in toilets while P traps are used in sinks, tubs and showers. Vent piping provide air pressure to help rainwater flow smoothly. Vent pipes are attached to the drain line at each fixture and protrude through the roof. They are kept to keep animals and rain at bay while allowing air to flow in. The system have a little control solution such as closed drains occur due to the build-up of air of other drains. They can often be cleared by holding the drain clean. Firstly, to prevent of water accumulation. A significant advantage of a sound drainage system is that it helps with the free flow of water. It prevents the accumulation which can otherwise cause flooding, which is daily use. Things like scum hair, grease, and other debris get clogged in the pipelines and cover the opening. Repairing this can be time-consuming as well as costly. Hence, with regular cleaning and inspection, you can extend the lifespan and function of the drain pipes. Next, the important is to keep the outdoor clean. Once the clogging problems begins, the water starts to overflow, thus creating a crisis of retention. Dirty water spreads all around, which is extremely unhygienic. The puddle of water becomes a spot for the insects to breed. The surrounding becomes soaked and mosquitoes begin to nest. The floor turns slippery. The degrading condition of the soil also hampers the growth of plants. This is why regular cleaning and management of the drainage system is a must important to manage it. And the last important thing is to minimize water contaminants. Property owners are liable for damage to the upstream or the downstream. Proper storm drain maintenance is critical to avoid a contaminant source of drinking water as well as local waterways. A property owner can get in trouble for failure to properly maintain storm drainage facility on or across his property. That's all for me. Thank you for listening and enjoy the video.